Want to learn how to fix your login error on your Roblox account, on your Roblox app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll tell you 6 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, weak Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So make sure to have a strong one. The second one is to go to the App Store or Play Store and then tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Enter here Roblox and check if your app is updated or not. If you do have an option of update instead of play on the top right corner, make sure to tap on it and make your app updated. Unupdated app could also be the reason of you facing the login error, so make sure to make your app updated. Third one is to go to the settings of your phone and reach to the point where you can clear the cache of this particular app. Clearing the cache could also help fix a login error because this will remove all of the unrequired filthy chunks related to this app. Different cell phones could have different ways to reach there. If you have a cell phone like mine, you can go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar, enter here Roblox and search for this particular app. On the bottom you can see 3 of the options. That is first stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data on the bottom right corner. Tap on clear cache. Tap on OK on the bottom right corner. So just by doing it, you have successfully removed the unrequired filthy chunks that is the cache of this app. So this could also help fix a login error. The fourth one is to force stop this particular app. On the bottom left corner, you can see an option of force stop, but it is currently disabled because I had used this feature just before. If you do have an option of force stop, make sure to tap on force stop and you'll notice that a warning will just pop out on your screen which will tell you that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But I love to tell you one thing, that force stop in an Android phone is a feature of stopping and removing all of the unrequired filthy chunks from the apps running on the background. It helps the app to start in a very fresh way. So make sure to tap on OK and use this force stop because this could also help you fix a login error. The fifth one is to drag this app and reach to the point where you can uninstall it. Tap on uninstall next to cancel and then go to your App Store or Play Store and make sure to install it once again. Reinstalling this app could also help fix a login error because not just from the cache but from all those unrequired chunks related to the app or any other problem could also be the reason of you facing the login error. And reinstalling will help your app to start in a very fresh way, so make sure to use it. The sixth and the final one is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone could also help you fix a login error because, as I have already told you, that on an Android phone or an iOS phone, because of the apps running on the background on the whole phone, your Roblox app may have faced such a problem of login. So make sure to restart your phone because this could also help you fix a login error. So this is it. I have just told you 6 of the ways to fix a login error. You can go and try all of them. I'm sure if you're going to use it effectively, it definitely will help. And if it has, you can provide a like to our video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.